Back here at our CBS News Space Headquarters, we're watching the countdown to the landing on the moon and waiting for the spacecraft to come around on this side of the moon again so we can get confirmation that all is still going well.
11, you got a pretty big audience. It's live in the U.S., it's going live to Japan, Western Europe, and much of South America. Appreciate the great show.
They weren't just going on a pleasure cruise here. They had a lot of work to do. They needed to be on the top of their game, working together as a crew and with the control center, so they were probably in the zone. I would have been in the zone big time.
Everything had been tried on the missions leading up to that point, except the landing itself. And there was a good reason for that. The landing was the most complex part of the entire Apollo mission. It was essentially a controlled fall.
Roger, understand. Go for landing. 3,000 feet. We're go. Same height. We're go. Down 2.5.
Neil Armstrong took over manually during the descent because they were coming down in an area that was the planned area to land, but there were boulders and some other kind of stuff. So he had to maneuver the lunar lander away from where it was headed to land.
Pick up some dust.
Which also caused everybody to start worrying because they had a finite amount of fuel. And so for him to do what he did caused everybody on the ground to get really nervous.
4 forward, drift into the right level. Contact light. Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue.
Armstrong is on the moon. Neil Armstrong, 38-year-old American, standing on the surface of the moon on this July 20th, 1969.
That's one small step for man. One giant leap for mankind.
It was a moment when it seemed like the whole country and even most of the world kind of stopped in their tracks and just took all this in with a sense of wonder and almost disbelief. My God, can this really be happening?
Oh, that looks beautiful from here, Neil. It's different, but it's very pretty out here. Okay, ready for me to come out? All set. Okay, I'm on the top step. You've got 3 more steps and then a long one. There you go. We'll read the plaque that's on the front landing gear of this LAM. Dear men from the planet Earth, first step foot upon the moon, July 1969 AD. It came in peace for all mankind.